Hello everyone, in today's video I'm going to show you how to change the pie chart to bar chart in Google Forms. So if we open our Google Forms project and then we go to responses, we can see that we have this pie chart. So in order to change this, we're gonna have to click on link to sheets. Now here, if you want, you can simply create a new spreadsheet, or if you already have one, you can select an existing spreadsheet, but I'm gonna create a new one. And then basically what we're gonna have to do now is simply wait until this loads up. And as you can see, we have here the form basically responses. So now what we're gonna have to do is simply select the data. So these are the responses. Here we have the time and date. So we're gonna have to simply click on insert, and then we're gonna have to select chart. And then from here, we're gonna have to go to chart type. And as you can see, we have the pie chart, and then here we have bar charts, etc. So we can simply select, and here we can see the responses and everything. So basically, that's all we have to do. I really hope you found this video helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.